how to add your Instagram link to your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your Instagram link to your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on it. Now click on edit profile. And you're gonna find your profile information about you, your name, username, your bio, your email, your category, if you have a business account of course, and on social you're gonna find Instagram and YouTube. Click on Instagram to add your Instagram link to your profile, and here you can add your Instagram link to your profile on your page on TikTok app. Once you go back to your page, you're gonna find your Instagram link beside edit profile and beside the bio. And this is, guys, hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.